How to log into Regions Bank online. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log into Regions Bank online. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, simply search for Regions Bank. Then go to Regions Bank online banking, or if you see or log into Regions Bank, you can directly tap on that as well. Then all you have to do is type in your username here, tap on this login option, and finally type in your password. After you do that, tap on continue to log in, and that's how simple it is. And yeah, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.